Hi, I'm Upasana Datta and I'm from CDAC Pune. I work on the geospatial hazard pillar, and within that, we have three hazards, natural hazards that we are looking into. One is your forest fire or wildfire, the other is tsunami and floods, and the third one is earthquake induced landslides. I'm managing the flood part of the pillar, geospatial hazard. Therein, we are actually trying to develop early warning systems for flood based on the data that will be provided by European Union, who are going to synthesize the tsunamis based on the earthquakes that had happened in that area. So once you get the earthquake data, they will synthesize the tsunami that might occur in that area, and we in the Indian counterparts will be developing the inundation spread maps and trying to figure out where all the floods are going to happen, what is the depth of the flood, how will it impact upon the people living there. In the forest fire pillar, in the Indian counterparts, we have actually developed a software and will be using that to predict the forest fire spread in that area based on your forest fire locations. What the European counterparts will be doing will be predict the spread of the forest smoke, where it will go. So it is more like a synergy between both European Union and Indian counterparts to come up with a very generic and holistic system to help the people dealing with such natural hazards. So the plan for the earthquake-induced landslide pillar is the European counterpart. They will be developing the earthquake shake maps. So wherever there is a probability of earthquake happening, they will create such shake maps. It's like zonating what is a Richter scale in that particular area. And based on that, the Indian counterparts will figure out where the landslide might happen. Like we'll put some sensors maybe, or maybe we'll just, zonate the area based on how loose the soil is or what is the human activity in that area. So then we'll have the landslide maps created for such zones. So these three pillars trying to address these natural hazards, which are both common in Europe and in India. We are planning to come up with ideas and solutions to help both these geographical regions to the best. In the future, maybe we can see more such synergies in more areas and more natural hazards being taken into consideration.